Everybody, you gotta make me a promise. You never try this. Say, I promise I will never try this if I ain't got a paper. Say, I promise I will never try this. This paper is not paper you can find anywhere. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh!
Clap, y'all, clap.
Oh, thank you.
Yay!
Now, can you see the lightning?
Oh! The lightning, the
Now,
lightning.
if this was an actual lightning bolt from the earth, if one of these bolts could power the entire United States for a day.
Yes.
That would be enough electricity.
To supply all the electricity in the world. We wouldn't have to pay for none.
No. Now, if anybody with no heart conditions or anything is willing to hold this, I can actually run electricity through you and light a light bulb off of you.
Oh, no, chef. I'll do that.
Oh.
I'll do that.
Okay, come over here.
That's crazy.
Y'all can take your glasses off if you want to.
Oh, okay. Okay. Glasses.
Okay, this is a neon bulb.
This way.
First of all,
Let me get it.
can we turn off that light for a second? It might help. I don't know how it's going to mess your camera. There's one right there. Okay, stand back for just a second. You see that? The neon bulb. Now, being grounded, this is something that it doesn't mean you're in trouble. It means that electricity will flow through your body into the ground and therefore you don't get shocked. Electricity likes to jump. So if you give it a place to jump, it is going to jump. How many of you have you ever gone down a slide and shocked yourself?
Yes.
Did you know that you just made a little bitty lightning bolt when you did that?
Yes.
Because that's caused by friction. Now, once you sure no heart problem, nothing, you good.
I plead the blood of Jesus over all of that.
Yeah, I believe that too. Okay, now listen. Do not move your finger. Hold on to it. Hold it. Just hold it. Hold on to it with your thumb wrapped around. Relax. This is what it's going to feel like. Don't move. Feel it? Okay, now watch. See that? She is completely, don't touch it. Because if you complete the circuit, you will shock yourself.
Yes. A little light bulb.